Bonjour everyone, welcome back to the RICOH GR photography channel. We're here in Paris today to attend a GR Cities event. This is one of our meetups we do here in Europe. Around 60 people already showed up and we have some interesting photographers again giving presentations. We're going to go on a photo walk. We will have lunch together, coffee, cakes, croissants, of course. If you want to be part of this next time, there's a link in the video description where you can register so you get notified for upcoming events. But the best way to get contacted directly by RICOH is by using their shoutgr_ and their city name hashtag. This is how we can know who's using the cameras in which city, and this time the one on the list was Paris. Yeah, follow me along today and let's find out what the RICOH community in Paris is like. Let's go. I'm sitting next to Tommy now, another fellow GR ambassador, and I would like to know, what was your presentation today about? Because I didn't understand a single word.
Okay, so today my presentation was about taking picture with graphic colors and the way you can be very focused on like a color and how you can manage to use a flash as well. So yes, that was all about that.
It was very nice to meet other people who use the RICOH on a daily basis, and very interesting to see the work that can be done with it. And it's not just street, you can do a lot of stuff. I work in a train station, so I'm alone in the train station, kind of an old school job. When I didn't have the RICOH, I would see scenes every day that I couldn't really photograph because I had a big camera. Compared to the RICOH that's so small, people just don't see it. So even when I'm at work and I have the uniform, they don't really mind because I take pictures at my work in the train station. I became an ambassador for my company.
So they support your photography?
Yeah, exactly, they support my photography.
Wow.
And I even was on French TV with the RICOH. So ever since this happened, I have a lot of people who come to me and they ask me what camera I use. I don't really show it on Instagram, but I think now I'm gonna show it just so the question is answered easily.
Okay guys, we had some interesting presentations and now it's lunchtime. After the lunch we're going to continue with the photo walks, and now it's time for me to indulge in some, what is this, duck? Chicken?
Yeah.
Let's go!
La team Mathieu, nos câbles là, avec Tommy. Tommy, c'est là. People, I'm interested into people, mainly. Not that close up, but I like to tell stories, huge background, people interacting, that sort of things. So it's a French YouTube channel, Guillaume_W. I have interviews of street photographers, French street photographers, and the idea of that channel is to make people want to go out to take pictures because it's my passion. So if I can share it with the world, well, that's what I do.
She's an old lady, she's 80.
80?
And yeah, she was shooting the bridge because she said to me, I'm fond of bridges. She was very kind. She's from Montmartre and she was bored about tourism. She said to me, I live there, but I cannot stand there anymore just because it's full of people. But I was very surprised because she's an old lady. She's 80. and she acted like she was a teenager because she was looking for something, making photos with a certain idea of what she wanted to do.
Yeah. Oh, cool. So we are back in the hotel and I'm sitting here next to Christelle. Nice to meet you. Yeah, how did you start your RICOH GR journey?
J'ai commencé il y a très longtemps avec le RICOH GR1 que j'ai gardé très longtemps, mais je faisais beaucoup d'argentique, donc c'est juste un petit boîtier en plus que j'avais avec moi tout le temps. Et il s'est cassé. Et du coup j'ai racheté le RICOH GR3 qui devient maintenant un peu plus présent dans ma pratique. Un petit peu moins d'argentique et beaucoup de... Ça fait assez longtemps du coup.
What kind of photos are you taking with your RICOH GR?
Je prends principalement de la photo de rue, mais beaucoup de photos aussi de paysages. Et aussi, j'ai 2 enfants. La photo daily life en fait, la photo du quotidien, parce que je l'ai toujours avec moi. Et du coup, mais je fais beaucoup de paysages et dans ma photo de rue, c'est aussi beaucoup de paysages urbains en fait. Très peu de photos de rue avec des portraits très serrés comme on a pu voir dans les présentations. Mais il est toujours avec moi, donc je prends des photos vraiment du quotidien et de plus en plus en randonnée aussi, par exemple. En paysage, c'est aussi top.
First of all, where's your GR?
It's there. RICOH is the best camera. It's always with me.
Always with you.
Yeah, of course.
Never heard that before. What kind of photography are you doing?
Yeah, it's kind of street photography. I really like to play with shadows and lights, and yeah, I try to do my best. So it's my first time here in Paris, and a wonderful day, good food. I was able also to take some shots, not bad.
I'm doing mostly street photography. Since 11-12 years. I have the RICOH since 2021, I think. Yeah. And since then I'm shooting with it, also another camera, but RICOH is always in my bag. So.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I have 2 cameras. So with both cameras, my style changes each time. With RICOH, I'm much more dynamic and it's much more snap. And you know, I'm a real hunter with the RICOH. Whether with the other one, I'm more like a fisher, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the difference.
Yeah.
And yeah, I like hunting, so it suits me.
Hunting for photos.
Yes. Yeah.
For me, it's street photography and architectural photography, and I love the RICOH, the slow speed, because it's the same pen. Slow speed.
Slow shutter speed.
Slow shutter speed is very interesting for create different things with the street, with the architecture, with the person, and is a sketch photography. The sensor is very performant. It's very interesting for all photographers.
I don't need to convince you anymore then.
No, yeah.
What do you think about today's event? How did you enjoy it?
A lot of people, good energy, good vibes. The discussion with you and with Tommy just around is very cool.
I liked it a lot. I met many new people and it was very inspiring, the 3 presentations. I learned some tactics, let's say.
What is there a specific tactic you learned?
Especially, I'm not really shooting in black and white, and his presentation inspired me to shoot in black and white, so
okay.
I tried it today. It's not bad. Yeah.
Okay, nice. All right, guys, it's the end of the video, and it's the end of the day, as you can clearly see. So thank you to everyone who showed up to the event. It was very nice meeting you. And Paris, you have a very lively community. No wonder, right? It's the city of photography. I think the second place for the biggest GR community is probably London, but Paris was the biggest so far. Again, as I said in the beginning, if you want to be part of the upcoming events, go down to the video description, follow the link, sign up to get notified. And also, of course, keep using the hashtag shootgr_ and your city name on Instagram, and then you will get a personal invitation. How nice is that? All right, I will see you in the next one. A plus. I'm out.